If you are looking for a compact, lightweight caravan, but you don't want to compromise on a fixed bed, the Phoenix Black Edition 440 could be the caravan for you. Now this has an MTPLM of just over 1,350 kilos, which means you can tow it with a wide variety of everyday cars such as Nissan's Qashqai. Now importantly, this has a shipping length, and that includes the A-frame, of just 6.8 meters, which makes it incredibly manageable. But it also has lots of storage too. We have storage compartments on the outside, and you can also access the all-important storage under the bed from an external locker. But it's the interior and that interior space that makes the 440 an ideal caravan. So let's go inside and take a look. So the Black Edition 440 is a 4-berth caravan. Now layout wise, it has an end washroom, French bed, centre kitchen and lounge to the front. Now the first thing you notice when you're sat in the lounge is just how comfortable it is, and that's because these are sprung. They're not foam, these are all fully sprung, and they also make up into that generous double bed. But let's face it, here the first thing you're going to notice is that window. Now it shares the window with its sister models in the Bailey range, the Unicorn and the Alicanto, so if you have that perfect pitch or that perfect view, you're going to be able to soak up all of that. And while you're here, maybe admiring that view, you can have your cup of tea, charge your phone from the wireless point, and if you need a bit more room, you could even pull out the chest and make it really comfortable up front. The kitchen is often known as the heart of the home, and that is exactly the same with the Black Edition 440. Everything you need is here. You can cook on gas or electric, and that includes the microwave above. If you want to cook that really ambitious meal, lots of workspace here, extendable flap at the end. We have even more space opposite. Talking of this space, air fryer, coffee maker, lots of room for that. And let's not forget, this is a compact, lightweight caravan, but we have lots of storage above and below. The bedroom in the 440 partitions off from the front section of the caravan, which means you have your own ensuite area. Now this obviously is the all-important fixed French bed, lots of sleeping space here. Talking of space, we have a full-size wardrobe. To be fair, that's probably bigger than one in my house. Lots of storage throughout as well. Now this isn't a wooden panel to my right, that is actually the freestanding table. I don't think I've ever seen a table that's more accessible. Now this has an end washroom. You could also use that as a dressing area if you like, and it also has a separate shower, the all-important loo, and lots of storage space. So in summary, the Phoenix Black Edition 440 is a lightweight compact caravan that can be towed with a wide variety of everyday cars. But it's that interior space that really makes it. You have that fixed bed and a versatile living space.